Xander, what does the frog say? Repeat. Again, what does the frog say? What does the cow say? What does the cat say? What does the dog say? How about the bird? What does the bird say? Tweet, tweet. What does the dinosaur say?
Yeah.
Rawr. What does the tiger say? Tiger. What does the tiger say? Huh? Ay? Ay?
Yeah.
What does the horse say? Nay. What does the goat say? What does the sheep say? Ba. What does the dog say? What does... what else? What does the chicken say?
Yeah.
Huh?
Kaka.
Kaka-kaku. What does the frog say again? Ribbit, ribbit. What's your mommy's name?
Juice.
Very good. How about daddy's name? What's your daddy's name? Kennard. And what? Hey, Turduwi. What's that?